Hello and welcome to Siam Center Law Group podcast, where we bring you the latest legal insights, court decisions, and strategies for navigating legal disputes in Thailand. Today's episode dives into a recent Supreme Court judgment that sets a new precedent on contract termination through a real case involving a luxury housing development project. The key takeaway? Terminating a contract without legal grounds could turn you into the liable party. Case background, as observed from official records. According to court records and case reviews, this case involved a luxury housing development project in Bangkok. The project owner entered into a contract to sell a house worth over 30 million baht with a private buyer. The contract clearly defined the architectural design, materials to be used, and the handover deadline. However, during the construction process, the buyer repeatedly requested changes to the house design, refused to select construction materials, and missed several payment milestones. These actions delayed the construction, making it impossible to deliver the house on time. Eventually, the buyer issued a notice to terminate the contract and filed a lawsuit demanding a refund of approximately 6 million baht, claiming the developer had breached the contract due to late delivery. The legal dispute in trial court ruled in favor of the buyer, stating they had the right to terminate and ordered the developer to return all payments received. Court of Appeals upheld the trial court's decision but reduced the refund amount slightly, citing behavior from both parties. Supreme Court's judgment. In the Supreme Court, the project owner filed a petition for leave to appeal, raising two major issues: the reliance on hearsay testimony from someone who wasn't a direct contracting party, evidence that the buyer's own actions caused the delay in construction. The Supreme Court held that while some testimony may have been hearsay, it was backed by strong documentary evidence, such as line chat messages, photographs, and correspondence, demonstrating that the buyer's behavior significantly disrupted the project. Furthermore, the buyer had failed to perform contractual obligations, including selecting materials and making payments. Therefore, the buyer did not have the legal right to terminate the contract, and the termination was invalid under Thai law. As a result, the buyer had no right to claim a refund, and the Supreme Court reversed the lower court decisions and dismissed the case. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of Siam Center Law Podcast. We hope you found this case insightful and useful for understanding your rights and responsibilities under Thai contract law. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us so you won't miss our upcoming legal discussions and real-life case analyses. See you in the next episode.